Today, I'll show you how to add realistic film scratches and give your video a vintage, old school look. Let's get started. First, import your video into the timeline. Now, head over to the effects panel and search for old film. You'll see options like old film, extremely dirty film, and other vintage effects. Drag and drop any of these onto your clip to instantly get that age scratched up film effect. If you want a more dramatic look, try combining multiple effects. You can layer old film with extremely dirty film to add more scratches and flickering details. Adjust the intensity from the right side editing panel to fine tune the effect based on your preference. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've transformed your footage into a classic vintage film. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick Filmora editing tips.